The world of cryptocurrencies offers exciting opportunities for investment and innovation, but it also attracts scammers seeking to take advantage of unsuspecting individuals. As the popularity of cryptocurrencies grows, so does the risk of falling victim to fraudulent schemes. In this video, we will explore how to identify scams in the cryptocurrency space and provide examples of some notorious cases. 1. Unrealistic promises. One of the most common signs of a cryptocurrency scam is the promise of unrealistically high returns on investment. Scammers often lure victims with the prospect of quick and guaranteed profits, promising astronomical gains in a short period. However, in the legitimate financial world, such promises are unrealistic and should be met with skepticism. Example: BitConnect, a cryptocurrency lending and exchange platform, claimed to offer daily returns of up to 1% on investments. It turned out to be a Ponzi scheme, and when it collapsed in 2018, investors lost millions of dollars. 2. Lack of regulation and transparency. Legitimate cryptocurrency projects adhere to regulatory guidelines and are transparent about their operations. On the other hand, scams often operate in a regulatory gray area and provide little to no information about their team, technology, or legal compliance. Avoid investing in projects that do not disclose crucial information or are evasive when asked for details. Example: OneCoin was a multi-billion-dollar cryptocurrency scam that operated between 2014 and 2017. Despite claiming to have a private blockchain and substantial backing, investigations revealed it was a fraudulent scheme with no actual blockchain. 3. Pressure to act quickly. Scammers frequently use high-pressure tactics to force potential victims into making hasty decisions. They might claim that there is limited time to invest or that the opportunity will disappear if the person does not act immediately. Legitimate investments do not rely on such urgency. Example: in the infamous Centratech case, the founders were charged with fraud for running an initial coin offering, ICO, that claimed to have partnerships with major companies like MasterCard and Visa. They used celebrity endorsements to create a sense of urgency, prompting investors to act quickly before the opportunity vanished. 4. Celebrity endorsements. While some legitimate projects may have celebrity endorsements, it is essential to scrutinize such endorsements carefully. Scammers often fabricate endorsements from well-known personalities to gain credibility and attract investors. Verify endorsements independently and be wary of any project relying solely on celebrity promotion. Example: Floyd Mayweather and DJ Khaled faced legal action for promoting Centratech's ICO without disclosing that they were paid for their endorsements. 5. Lack of white paper or roadmap. A white paper is a vital document that outlines the technical details, goals, and plans of a cryptocurrency project. Scams may lack a detailed white paper or provide one with little substance. Similarly, a roadmap outlining the project's milestones is essential for transparency and accountability. Example: Loops was a cryptocurrency startup that raised millions in its ICO but disappeared after its website and social media accounts were taken down, leaving investors without any recourse. As the cryptocurrency space continues to evolve, so do the tactics of scammers seeking to exploit unsuspecting individuals. To avoid falling victim to cryptocurrency scams, exercise caution, and conduct thorough research before investing. Remember that if an opportunity seems too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to well-established and reputable projects that adhere to regulatory guidelines and maintain transparent operations. By being vigilant and informed, you can protect yourself from potential scams and make safe and sound investment decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies.